Minasan konnichiwa, Kaycee desu. This is Japanese language textbook for beginners. Hello everyone, this is Kaycee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be sharing some Japanese language textbook for beginners. And also, as you can see on the title, I'll be giving away something. Later ko na sasabihin kung ano. So please keep on watching until the very end of this video for the details. I'll be sharing to you the books that I'm using and give my opinion about it. And disclaimer lang, I only have the PDF/ebook version of this textbook and I don't have the physical copy. Are we ready? Let's start! First, I'll be sharing the textbook and it is called Genki Volume 1. Personally, ito yung ginagamit ko since ito yung book na inintroduce sa amin sa UP and I can honestly give my comment and opinion about this book. This book is very helpful, especially for beginners, kasi hindi nakaka-overwhelm yung mga informations. Step by step talaga yung approach ng bawat lessons. First part of the lesson is the dialogue in Japanese. It is written both in kana and romaji. But then as you go along on the higher lessons, mawawala na yung romaji sa sentence. And mag-i-introduce na sila ng kanji, basic kanji with hiragana. Still on the first part is the dialogue in English. This is the translation of Japanese dialogue so we can confirm if tama ba yung pagkakagets natin dun sa dialogue. Second part is the vocabulary. Of course, words are based on the dialogue that we just read. Mag-i-introduce din siya sa atin ng mga basic words that can add up to our vocabulary list. Pero syempre, habang tumatagal, mas dumadami na yung ini-introduce na vocabs sa atin. Third part, we have the grammar. On this part, we will have a clear understanding on the main function of a particular topic. I-explain sa atin dito one by one yung mga grammar points na dapat nating matutunan. Fourth part is the culture note. Example, common Japanese names or kaya naman Japanese holidays. Anything that can add up to our knowledge about Japan. And last part, we have the practices where we can answer some exercises based on the lesson. This textbook should include listening practices or an audio file, pero wala akong copy nun. And of course, kung merong textbook, meron ding workbook. Another textbook that I'll be sharing is the Nihongo Volume 1. Just like Genki, very beginner-friendly rin tong textbook na to. Kaya madaming mga beginners in Japanese language ang gumagamit nito. Madami ding mga YouTube channel ang gumagawa ng video tutorial, kagaya na lang nito, at kagaya din nito. So you can check out these channels if you want to learn lesson by lesson of this Nihongo. First part of the lesson is vocabulary. Second part is the translation, and this includes sample sentences and conversation. And by the way, meron din tong audio file for listening practices. Third part, we have some useful reference word and information. So, ito yung counterpart ng culture note dun sa Genki 1. Almost same lang naman yung approach ni Genki and ni Nihongo. Very beginner-friendly with the presence of illustrations and pictures. Another textbook is the Japanese from Zero. I can't say much about this book because I'm not using it. But one thing that I noticed is kung very beginner-friendly si Genki 1 and si Nihongo 1, si Japanese from Zero is a lot more beginner-friendly. Why? On the first part of this book, hindi mo na siya nag-introduce ng kana. Lahat naka-romaji muna. But then of course, as you go along the lesson, mag-i-introduce na siya little by little ng kana. Pero may romaji pa din. For example, isang syllable lang yung kana and then the rest naka-romaji. So, combination of kana and romaji. Meron din YouTube tutorial video, yung author ng book na to. If you want, you can check this channel. That's it guys for the Japanese language textbook for beginners. And now, it's time for the giveaway! I'll be giving away some loot bags for you guys. as my way of saying thank you for supporting my little channel. Hondo ni Arigatou Gozaimasu. Ano ba yung laman ng loot bag? Hiragana Writing Practice Booklet. So, perfect ito kung kakastart mo pa lang or mag-aaral ka pa lang ng hiragana, yung basic alphabet ng Japanese. Second, we have storybooks para naman sa katakana and hiragana reading practice. So, kung marunong ka na ng katakana and hiragana, perfect tong mga books na to para pag-aralan nyo naman or mahasa yung reading skills ninyo. By the way, these books are from Japan. So, I bought it from Fukuoka-Ya. You can check out their FB kung mahilig kayo sa mga One Piece or kaya naman meron kayong gustong pabili from Japan since hindi pa tayo makapunta doon because of pandemic. You can ask them to look something for you. So, kagaya ng ginawa ko, pinahanap ko sa kanila tong mga books na to. You can check out their FB page and IG. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description box below. So, balik tayo. Ano pa ba yung laman ng loot bags? Meron din tayong Muji-inspired notebooks. Yan, binili ko lang naman to sa Shopee. And then, syempre, meron din tayong mga gel pens para sa pagsusulat nyo naman ng kanji. Dito kayo magpa-practice. And then, some Japanese goodies from Daiso. Plus, I can also share with you the PDF file ng mga nabanggit kong textbook. Genki, Nihongo, and Japanese from Zero. How to join? First, you have to subscribe to my channel. And then second, like and follow my FB page. Then third and most importantly, you have to comment down below your reason on studying Japanese language. So ito yung format.
My reason in studying Japanese is to be able to communicate with the locals while traveling in Japan, so I can relate and connect more to them during my stay. I want them to show that I appreciate their country not just by being enthusiastic about the places and food, but also by learning their language and being knowledgeable about their culture. Please don't forget to indicate your name and location after your comment, and take note that this is for Philippines only.
I'm asking you the reason on studying Japanese language because I believe that it is our motivation kapag nahihirapan na tayo or kaya pag gusto na nating sumuko dahil ang hirap na nung certain topic, ang hirap ng kanji, 'di ba? Just always remember to go back to your main reason kung bakit ka nag-aaral ng Japanese. I will choose 3 winners, kaya ako napapansin nyo, parang tig-3 of each yung mga nasa loot bags natin. And then, I will announce the winner on my FB page by October 9. So, dapat nakafollow kayo sa FB ko para malaman nyo kung nanalo kayo. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can share it then with your friends if you want or kaya sa mga kakilala mo na nag-aaral or magsa-start pa lang ng Japanese language. Comment down below sa mga questions and suggestions ninyo para sa akin. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Good luck! Ganbatte kudasai! Arigatou Gozaimasu! Bye-bye! Jane!